Metallized paper is a special paper with a metallic layer foil on the surface. So how can you use it on your labels to enhance their quality? Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, and today I will show you a metallized substrate and how you can express its true potential. If you didn't yet, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any further video. A metallized paper is a product that is coated with a layer of aluminum with a matte or gloss finish, which offers decorative and protective properties to the product. Two different systems can be used to create metallized paper: lamination and vacuum metallization. Lamination is a process that involves a gluing process on the paper, normally a non-coated one, to a sheet of aluminum with a thickness between 9 and 12 micron. The system is used increasingly less owing to the high consumption of aluminum. Let's talk about vacuum metallization, which is the other method. This system is the most used and it consists of heating aluminum or another material in a vacuum chamber, vaporizing or sublimating it and depositing a thin layer on the surface of the coated substrate. In this case, the main advantage is that 300 times less aluminum is used than in the previous case. In both cases, this type of substrate offers a solution to achieve a distinctive metallic finish on packaging with only a fraction of aluminum content of traditional foils. So, which is the best way to use a metallized substrate and how can I express its true potential? First, the metallized appearance of the paper gives added value to the products that contain it. Your clients are surely expecting you to deliver a quality label that reflects the quality and value of their product. The natural metallic effect of this substrate makes it really easy to create a wonderful contrasting effect between metallic and opaque details. Bright colors, pop design, and metallized details for a dream startup. A perfect example of the use of this substrate in the food industry is the project of 3 young entrepreneurs of the Eat Dream startup specialized in hazelnut creams from Lange region. The young age of the company and its founders, together with the desire to express innovation, led the graphic designer to choose a fresh, colorful, and visually striking image that takes inspiration from the pop art world. Rather than choosing complex finishings, they decided to give maximum emphasis to solid colors through the use of metallized papers and highly opaque varnishes. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below if your labels have a metallized effect on them. If you have a link to your website or one of your social networks where you have a picture of your label, please consider commenting down below and leaving a link so that others can check it out. And as always, love you all. Ciao!